Hi friends, it's me. I will give a quick review and demo of the Roborock S6. First off, this robot vacuum is awesome. It does a pretty good job cleaning, and the app is very intuitive as it tells you everything from the robot. The Roborock S6 can use the app to create zones for cleaning, and zones to be skipped. It can easily skip over certain rooms or broader areas. As well as room-by-room control, the S6 also lets you set a specific zone to clean, letting you mop up a particular mess easily. Furthermore, the app automatically makes a few rooms after it does its first cleaning, and you are then able to edit the rooms if needed. Moreover, I have to say that Roborock S6 has the best navigation in the industry. It's satisfying watching it map out the perimeter of an area it wants to vacuum, and then decide what the quickest way to clean. This Roborock S6 cleans well, it doesn't get stuck, and it can all easily be controlled from Google Assistant. The other thing I like is that it's always learning and mapping the best routes, and it detects humans or pets so it will not crash into them. It's also smart enough if while it's cleaning my dog drops a toy in its known clear path, it will avoid it. Even though cleaning performance is excellent, the S6 is substantially quiet on the carpet, noticeably quieter on hard floors. It can also be set on a schedule for auto daily cleaning in designated times. The S6 cleans my entire space in about 30 minutes, so it does fine on a single charge, but if you have a much larger space, the S6 is smart enough to return to the base to charge and then continue with the cleanup. So you never have to worry about a half-clean room. Overall, the Roborock S6 is an exceptionally great robot vacuum cleaner and can save you a lot of effort and time as well. Last but not least, if you want to get this robot with the lowest price, you can check the link in my description.